Hello and welcome back to my channel Wandering Som. So how have you all been? क्या हाल चाल है दोस्तों? During this lockdown, just like you, I'm also spending a lot of time with my family. Old books, old pictures, albums and my पुराना वाला hard drives जिसके अंदर मेरे सारे पुराने वाले wandering के pictures and videos हैं. Using the pictures of my travels in the yesteryears, I had put together my last film, Dodging Death in Spiti. एंड थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. आप लोगों ने इतना सारा अप्रिशिएट करा, इतना सारा उसको एक्नॉलेज करा. आप लोगों का प्यार, इट वॉज रियली अमेजिंग. आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू. और आप लोगों की बदौलत थोड़ी सब्सक्रिप्शन भी बढ़ गई मेरी. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. आज का जो वीडियो है, आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव गेस्ड बाय लुकिंग एट द टाइटल व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट. या यू गॉट इट राइट. अच्छा ये बताइए, व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम और विच इज़ द मोस्ट डेंजरस फ्लाइट यू वुड हैव एवर टेकन? राइट टू मी अबाउट इट. मेरे नीचे फीडबैक सेक्शन में या इंस्टाग्राम में या फेसबुक पे, wherever you choose, write about it and share it with me, and the best ones will get some gifts from Wandering Som. In 2010, I went to Kathmandu along with a colleague of mine from Seoul. We had a very busy schedule, yet we managed to take some time out to visit the most sought after place in Nepal, and we went to Sagarmatha. Yeah, it's the Mount Everest. There are many private airlines out of Kathmandu that take you on a panoramic sightseeing view of the Mount Everest. The flights are usually of about 60 minutes. It goes to the northeast of Nepal towards the China border. En route, you get to see other peaks that are there in Nepal. आप लोगों ने कभी पतंग उड़ाया है या पतंग को देखा हुआ उस ऊंचाई पे उड़ता हुआ और कैसे ऐसे हिलता रहता है जब बहुत तेज हवा चलती है? Now imagine कि आप उस पतंग पे बैठे हैं. That's the kind of an experience I had when I was sitting in that Dornier 19-seater twin-engine aircraft. It actually swayed like this in air while we were approaching Mount Everest. Boarding the flight, I was well aware of the danger. It is one of the most dangerous flights that you could take. Yet, each and every minute that I had spent was really worthwhile, provided you do not have weak guts. During the same trip, I also got a chance to visit the 15th century Buddhist temple, Swambhunath Stupa. Over the centuries, many kings from different lands have visited this particular temple, including the great Ashoka. The temple is located on top of a hill and it is overlooking the entire Kathmandu valley. On a clear day, the sight is really mesmerizing. During my visit in 2010, the temple was under renovation. The last renovation apparently happened in 1921 and 2010, after 89 years, it was happening again. The graphic of the eye, the eyebrows and the nose, which is actually number 1 written in Devanagari, signifies wisdom and compassion. The most interesting thing that I found in the temple complex were the different masks of Hindu gods and goddesses. Nepal has been a center of attraction for the international tourists for many years, and often these tourists are not able to pronounce the local names. Swayambhunath is one such name. Somewhere in the 1970s, the temple started gradually getting known as the Monkey Temple. It has got nothing to do with Hanumanji or anything of those sorts. The name purely came from the number of monkeys that you get to see when you are over there. Yes, the temple is literally infested with monkeys. To reach the temple, you could either take the flight of 365 stairs all the way up to the main temple, or you could go around to the south gate where you can take your car right up to the gate. So in coming times, if you happen to be in that particular temple, be careful of all those monkeys. After all, it is the monkey temple. So friends, that's all I have for today. If you like the content, do give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel Wandering Som. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो ये जो नीचे जो बटन है, hit the button right now. Lastly, do share your feedbacks in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next Sunday, till we meet again with yet another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Just experienced an earthquake. क्या बात है शूट के दौरान. I'm standing on 16th floor of a building in Faridabad. एंड बस इसके बाद ये छोटा सा ही पैरापेट है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं है. एंड स्टैंडिंग ओवर है, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एक हल्का सा झटका आया, तो मैंने सोचा शायद ऐसे हिल गया होगा. तो माय फ्रेंड वाज टेलिंग मी नहीं हवा से हिल जाती है बिल्डिंग, पता चला कि नहीं अर्थक्वेक है.